Today is a rest day in Salta. Rest day means a rest day for the riders, because after 6 days of Dakar, especially this Dakar, is very tough. They need to rest, so they went to hotel and they had a good sleeping in hotel. All the team members are working, are not really resting, because, for example, all the mechanics are repairing the bike, checking the bike, and make it completely fresh and new for the next week racing. And also all the team members are cleaning tracks, preparing all the materials for a very tough week that we are expecting next week. And regarding the riders, they are taking care of the body with a physiotherapist, osteopath, and also taking care of the strategy for next week.
Hello everybody, I'm Giorgio Guerrini, come from Italy, and I'm mechanic from Pizzolito, Javier. I'm very proud to be here with the HRC team in the Dakar, my first experience, and I think it's the best experience of all my career, so I wish everything is going in the best way.
Hello, my name is Filipe Barbosa, I'm coming from Portugal, I'm mechanic from Juan Barreda. I'm very happy for this HRC team.
Hello, my name is HRC. I come from Finland. I work for the HRC Honda. I'm a Paolo Goncalves mechanic, and we're doing awesome work now. I like the team, I forgot to say that. My name is Hans Polsvoort, 29 years old, from the Netherlands. I'm very pleased to be part of Team HRC. It's a great opportunity with a great team and a great amount of nationalities, and yeah, it's like I said, great opportunity for me.
Hi, I'm Pep Segales. I'm a press officer of the Rally Team HRC. I'm from Spain, and I'm very proud to be in this team because it's the best one.